Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today is an exciting one because we are introducing the brand new soldering station by HAKKO FX-888DX. X is the innovation because we are now adding an encoder with a digital knob for the temperature regulation. Let's open the box together. As always, top quality from Japanese brand. We can find all the user manual, more languages available on Butterfly website. We have the iron, which is the same of the FX-888D, supporting T18, T18 tips series. Inside we have the iron holder with the wire, sponge, and the soldering station. As you can see, different, instead of button now we have the digital knob. Very important for this new launch, we have three different colors. We have the blue and yellow, the yellow and the silver. So for this short is everything. Follow us. Thank you very much.